No, hell no, he wasn't being respectful to me.
Well,
He coming up telling me not to put my hands in my pocket. I'm trying to show him.
This video shows a heated encounter outside Walmart, where a man says police are harassing him for something he didn't do. Officers think he might be connected to other suspects and question him about arriving with a van they were chasing. The man insists he came alone, even offering to let them check Walmart's cameras to prove it. Things escalate when he demands a supervisor, calls the stop a violation of his rights, and argues over a suspicious-looking temporary tag on his vehicle.
To talk to a supervisor, because this is uncalled for. This is against my constitutional rights. I'm about to call my attorney, Don Sprell. Look here, man, this is against violating my constitutional rights, man. Violating my constitutional rights. They come ask me my name for no reason. I ain't done no crime. I've not committed no crime.
Which constitutional right are we violating?
The Third Amendment.
So
Because
the Third Amendment.
Yeah, because I've not committed no crime. To be harassed.
Are we being respectful with you?
No, hell no, he wasn't being respectful to
Well,
me.
if they're not
He
with
coming
you-
up telling me not to put my hands in my pocket. I'm trying to show him my keys to my vehicle. It's not a damn thing to do with me.
Calm down. Safety issue, okay? My name's Officer Tolley. I'm going to be respectful with you as long as you're respectful
Yes,
with
sir,
me, okay?
I understand.
Okay.
I apologize. He's got me irate because he come up irate with me.
You were
But
cool with me, man.
I know,
Hey,
man.
I
And
understand, but that's just an offset issue. He didn't mean any intent by it, okay?
and I don't mean no intent by it, fellas.
And I understand that.
But I don't have a damn thing to do with them dudes. I was in the store shopping. You can ask the big dude that
I
works in
understand
there.
that. Hey, nobody said you're in trouble, did we?
Yeah, but the dude
We're-
that works
we're
in
being-
there, you know what I'm saying?
we're being cool with you?
You can go in there and ask him. When I walked in the store, dude I was coming out of the store. He comes running up to me talking about the police, this and that. I said, what?
Hey, has any of us said you're in trouble?
No, but I'm just saying.
Exactly. We just have a couple questions.
Listen, I know that dude. I don't even know his fucking name. You know what I'm saying?
I just have a couple questions for you, okay? So you didn't pull up in this van with him?
Hell no, I didn't pull up in that fucking van.
This is your...
Yeah, that's my vehicle.
Okay. Did you see this van pull up?
No, I did not. I was in the store. You can pull the cameras up and watch the cameras.
Okay. That's all we need to know, okay? I apologize for...
Oh,
Do you have the keys to this? Just
yes, I do.
to verify?
Yeah, I do. I sure do. Yes, sir. I sure do.
If you can just check, make sure it unlocks and locks it up. Yeah, you can drive it too.
That's the way the dealer. That's the way they give it to me. That's the way the auto auction give it to me.
Handwritten.
Is that why you read?
The auto auction gave it to me like that, bro.
That's cool. That's cool. You're doing as you want to do.
Listen, hey, listen, fellas. I didn't commit no crime, man. Hey, and I apologize, man. I got irate for no reason, and I'm sorry. I apologize to you guys, but listen.
Is if you get onto a public roadway with that tag on your vehicle, you can't get pulled over.
I understand that, but so I'm going to register. I just got the title Friday, so I'm going Monday to register tomorrow.
Take the tag off the vehicle.
Yes, sir. Okay. Am I all right to get home, or am I all right to get home, or
Do you have a bill of sale that says that you just purchased
I
the
do.
vehicle?
Yeah, I do.
Then
I
yes,
just
then
purchased it last week.
Okay, then I would take that tag off of that vehicle, and then if they pull you over, you tell them that you just purchased the vehicle, and that they gave you a
It come from the
insufficient
Virginia
tag.
Auto Auction. Where it come
I'm
from?
telling you, man, I'm telling you. Regardless of where we bought or however you obtained this vehicle, that tag is fake.
Okay.
Clearly fake.
Yeah,
Okay?
that-
It doesn't have an issue by it, doesn't have a dealer name, it doesn't have anything required information that would be on that tag in order for you to be able to display that.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying? Take it off before you leave.
Okay. We'll do that. We'll do. I'm going Monday to get. I'm going Monday. Are you guys? Or am I good to go? So you saying that? Come here, man. I'm curious now. You saying this van here?
Yeah, the guy that that came up to you and said that he was running from the police or whatever, all right? He said that he is going to be associated with a person who just ran from us that's now being arrested, okay? Obviously, the fact that you said that you were with him, and regardless of if you understand me or not, okay?
I misunderstood you what I
Okay.
did, and I apologize. I was
I get lied
in-
to you all the time.
Yeah, I
Understand
was
what I'm saying?
I was constantly thrown in the mix there of something
understand.
that I didn't have nothing to do with. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, if I was approached by the police and I asked if you were together and you weren't with that guy, the first thing that I would say is, I don't know the guy. No, I'm not with him.
Well, I know him, but I
Because
don't know
obviously-
him. He worked 3 days for me and,
Like I said,
and never
if
come
If I
back.
asked you were with him and again, I'm not going to get circled back on it. Okay.
I apologize.
What I'm going to explain to you, right, is that if you are able to identify him, or if you are able to find out where he is, then I would appreciate it. If you were able to log over that we can make contact with the officer. Okay?
Yeah, and like I say, I don't know where the dude over there that he's with. He knows.
All right. Like I said.
Yeah. Because that's what I was asking you earlier. I said, what do I need to do? You know what I'm saying? I don't want no trouble. You know what I mean?
He's got felony warrants out of prison.
That dude does. Hey, I don't know that dude. I don't know that dude from Adam.
Wow, dude, ain't no way.
That's
Ain't no
where
way.
they give it to us at the auction.
Nope.
So explain to them that
There's no way
no
that
dealer information.
there's no way it's legit, dude.
That's what they tell me.
You better get this registered. And
I'm going to Monday morning.
Monday never comes, does it?
No, Monday morning for real.
Because that you stop right there, get cited, you pull out of here, you'll get off.
I know.
There ain't no way that
So what am I supposed to do?
See, unregistered vehicle. It looks like, I mean, the tag is obviously like forged.
So what am I supposed to do?
Go to the deep.
So leave everything sitting here? Is that my
Get it
best
registered.
bet?
I'm telling you, I know you got to drive the business, but I'm telling you, man, you get, especially a trooper, you get stopped, you get ate up with tickets. Because I mean, you forged that. Somebody forged that, Henry. That is not from any legitimate business. Would never have one like that.
Auto auction.
Ain't no way, man. Ain't no way auto auction do that even.
Yeah, but see, I got tied up in a mess. I got tied up in a mess with somebody else.
I'd say you run around with this cat.
No,
too.
I don't know that dude.
Yeah, but you know him.
I don't know that dude from
We can't positively put you in the van he was driving, but you know him. You said you know him.
I know the other dude that was with him.
The other dude that was there.
Yeah, and I don't even know his fucking name. He worked for me for 3 days and he's been fired or something. I think he...
Where do you live? Are you local here?
Yeah, I live.
Elizabeth and Clark County?
Yeah, I live right there. Yeah.
Just play it straight, man. Get that fixed, man. We run the VN, make sure this don't come back stolen.
Yeah, that's fine, bro. It's not stolen.
I'm telling you, that's bad. We see a lot of the tip tags.
Yeah. It
altered.
flipped me out. He come up to me.
But that's bad altered, man. You didn't even do a good job on that one.
Hey, I apologize to you, man. I truly do. And I did no disrespect.
200 yards away, maybe.
No disrespect, man. No disrespect. I didn't know what the hell was going on. He's talking about you driving a black Honda Odyssey. Yeah, I'm driving a black Honda Odyssey. I'm thinking my vehicle's a black Honda.
He was a driver, and he had at least one
Obviously,
passenger.
the first thing he said was, "I drive a black Honda."
Yeah, I drive a black Honda. I said, yeah.
It's not a van.
No. I'm sorry, fellas. I truly am, man. You know, it throws me off. So it did. What the hell? Are you saying don't put your hands in your pocket? I'm trying to get my keys.
Well, I'm just checking, but you're not like all this video out here. It's not going to show you getting out of that van.
No,
Okay.
sir.
We're just saying, because you know how many Walmart's got hundreds of cameras.
Yeah, hell yeah, they got cameras
all
on
over
the
the
parking
place.
lot and the inside. Hey, bro, point the cameras. I promise you, you will not catch me getting out of that van. I don't know that people from that van.
That's fine.
That was good video, right?
By the end, cooler heads prevail. The officers check his paperwork, confirm the van wasn't his, and explain the temporary tag on his car looks fake. They warn him to remove it before driving again and register the vehicle properly. The man apologizes for getting upset, and the officers make it clear he isn't in trouble. The video closes with the man relieved he can finally leave, still insisting the situation was a big misunderstanding.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.